Welcome. If you love using emojis to express yourself on Discord, you're going to want to make sure animated emojis are turned on, especially on your mobile device. Animated emojis add that extra flair to your messages, making chats more fun and lively. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to enable animated emoji in Discord Mobile, updated for the latest version. First things first, open up the Discord app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Once you're on the main screen, look down at the bottom right corner for your profile icon. Give that a tap to open up your user settings. Now that you're in your settings, you'll see a list of different options. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Accessibility. Tap on Accessibility to open up even more settings designed to make your Discord experience smoother and more personalized. Inside the Accessibility menu, scroll down until you see the option that says Play Animated Emoji. This is the setting that controls whether or not you'll see those fun, moving emojis in your chats. By default, this might be turned off, so let's make sure it's on. All you need to do is tap the switch next to Play Animated Emoji to toggle it on. Once it's enabled, you'll instantly start seeing animated emojis in all your servers and direct messages, as long as you have Discord Nitro or the server supports animated emojis. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy your favorite animated emojis on Discord Mobile. Whether you're sharing a laugh with friends or reacting to messages, those little animations will bring your conversations to life. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.